Good morning, all of you. Chapter 13, geometrical shapes. So geometrical shapes, you know that many type of geometrical shapes you have seen in your house tiles, or you have seen in your house that door, window, cupboard, etc., etc. These are the geometrical type of shapes. So here, 13.1, question 1, complete the following tiling pattern of the floor by using the tiles. So you are looking here, 3 diagram are colored, so you will be colored the whole diagram. You are looking many more diagram here, so you will be colored the whole diagram. Second question, complete the following tiling pattern of a floor by using the tiles. We will use the circle and triangle. So that first one is that you will be do 2 circle is given here, this is the shaded, so you will be do like this, these two will be touched each other, and then you will be colored by yellow color. And then second, triangle is there, 2 triangle are separate is given here, so you will, and set is also here with color, so you will be do both triangle and that will be touched, okay, and then you will be use the color here. Look at the following pattern. What is the difference between the 2 tiles? So A part you are looking, there is no gap, tiles joined without any gap, tiles are joined without gap, and then in that B part you are looking, there is a gap, tiles are joined with gap, tiles are joined with gap, okay. And then 13.2, draw a line segment AB, that is a AB, and then put 3 points on the line segment AB and name them. We will put 1, 2, 3 point, and we can write any name, P, Q, R, etc., etc. You can write the name. Second question, that in the figure given below, name the point and there and the line segment. So first one you are looking here, figure points is equal to, that is A, B, C, D, and then line segment that will be AB, BC, CD and DA. Similarly, that second question is that points, there is the 5 point, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and then line segment is equal to AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Here is a 5 line segment. And then third part, there is points is equal to only 3 points is there, A, B, C, and line segment points, line segments is equal to, that is AB, BC and CA. And then fourth question, make 2-point AB on your paper with the sharp tip of your pencil. Draw a line segment A by joining them. So third question is very simple. You will be 2 point. This is the A point and that is a B point. With ruler, you will be join both point. Next, 13.3. 13.3 exercise. There is you looking, measure the following line segment. So that first will be, you will be measure with your ruler, that will be approximately, that will become 10 centimeter. CD also, that will become 10 centimeter. EF can become 8 centimeter. GH can become 6 centimeter approximately. Take a postcard and measure it all side. Do you find the length of the opposite edge are equal? Yes, that will be yes. Yes, and then that will be 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, that will be 7 centimeter, and then again opposite side is 12 centimeter and then 7 centimeter. Third question, find the perimeter of the following. Perimeter is a very simple thing. So that first part, perimeter, P is a perimeter, sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. You will be right. And sides are there 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that will be 16 centimeter. Similarly here also, second part, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So that is 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 26 centimeter. And then third part also same thing, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. All sides. So that is 5 plus 4 plus 6, 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 10, 13, 5, 18 centimeter. And then draw a line segment of the following length. Fourth question, first part. So 4 centimeters. So you will put the ruler on your notebook and then from 0 to 4 centimeter you will be write distance. Similarly here, second part, you will put the ruler and then from 0 to 8 centimeter you will be draw a line. Third part, that from 0 to 11 centimeter you will be write line, and then 12 centimeter you will be draw a line. 12 centimeter, or you can write the name also here like this, AB, or you can write this one BC, this one PQ, this one you can write XY, any name you can write here, or without name also can be right, no problem will be there. 13.4, write the number of rectangle in each of the following figure. Next exercise 13.4, first part, we are looking here, that is 6 rectangle. In second part, here we are looking 9 rectangle, and then here we are looking again 6 rectangle. Observe the following figure and write the number of square. So how many square are there? In first, that is a 6. In that second, that is only 2. And then in third, there is 11. Third part, there is 11. And then write the number of triangle in each of the following figure. Third question, that is how many triangle are there? There is 8 triangle. Second part, there is 12 triangle. Third part, there is 16 triangle. Fourth part, there is 16 triangle. Put a bangle on or a 5 rupees coin on a paper. Move your pencil around it. What plain figure do you get? So 4. You will put the bangle or coin on your notebook and then you will be write like this. This is the circle. Circle. This is the circle. 13.5. Name two objects which have only plane figure. See here. Now next. Here you will be say first question, that first part, that is a die. Dice you have seen that this is the plane figure, that is. Second, that will be book. You have seen the book, that also has only plane figure. That name two objects which do not have plane surface. That is a ball. Ball has not surface, plane surface. And second, earth also. Earth. Name two objects which have both plane and curved surface. That is a pencil. Third question, pencil. That is a next, that will be tin. That will be next, we can write tin of point. Tin of point. That's a plane figure also, and then curve also. Choose the correct option. The object given below have only curved surface. And then 13.6. Look at the figure of die and answer the following question. Name the shape of the object shown in the figure. That is a cube. Cube. That is cube. And then B part, there is a 6 faces. And C part, there is a 12 edges. There is a corners, that is a 8. And then all are faces identical. Yes. And then matching. Second question, matching. And then name the shape. That is a cuboid. A, it means second part. B, name of edges. 12 edges are there. So that is a fourth part. Number of corners, 8. C means first part. Number of faces, there is a 6. That means third part. 13.7. Look at the figure of ice cream cone and answer the following question. That is a 13.7. First question, that is a A part. That is a cone. That name is cone. How many vertex does it have? Only one. C. How many plane surface? Only one. D part. How many curved surface does it have it? Only one. Has it any edge? Yes, one. One. Okay. This is the complete chapter.